Hello, I am here to do some patterns with you guys. So today I am going to pretend that I have your pattern cards that you have in your week 8 packet. Yours is not going to look quite like what I have on my screen here. I have colored mine and you guys got a black and white one. If you want to color it, that would be fine too. But I'm going to just use what I have here to practice making some patterns. So today we are going to make an AB pattern, an ABB pattern, an ABC pattern, AABB, AAB, and AABC. So we're going to make 6 different types of patterns. Now, when I create these patterns today, what I create is not the only way that you can make these patterns. So there are many, many ways that you could make these patterns shown with the pattern cards that you guys have. So the pattern pieces that you have are circles, squares, hearts, and moons. So first, we are going to create an AB pattern. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this right up here, AB, so you know that we are making an AB pattern. So the first thing I need to do, I need to pick a shape that I want to represent my A. I'm going to pick a square. So I'm going to take a square, I'm going to move one up here. All right, so I have a square as my A. So for an AB pattern, you have 2 things being repeated over and over again, each of them only appearing one time within the core. The core here is AB. So if I have a blue square representing my A, I have my A. Now I need a different shape to represent my B. So I'm going to use a moon. Now again, what I'm doing, you guys don't have to have a pattern that looks like this for AB. You can choose other shapes or you can create the same ones that I'm creating and then you can create different ones later. All right, so I put a moon for my B. Now I have my A and I have my B. So if I want this to be an AB pattern, I need another A. And what did I use as my A? A blue square. So I'm going to put a blue square. So we have square, moon, square. I'm going to grab another moon. So again, for the AB pattern, you just have 2 things being repeated. So now I'm going to get a square. I bet you guys are rocking these patterns at home. And then a moon. And then a square. And a moon. And this pattern could go on and on and on. Okay. So I have square, moon, square, moon, square, moon, square, moon. If I kept going, I would get another square and then another moon. The main thing is that we need to have the core being repeated. So if we were to label this, I would put, let me make sure my font is big enough here. I would put an A under my blue square. The B would be my moon, then my A, B, A, B, A, B. All right, so I'm going to get a red line. I want you guys to see here is the core that we were working with, AB. Now here is an AB. Here is an AB, AB, AB. So I have my AB core being repeated. All right, so we just created an AB pattern. Now I'm going to move on to my next one. I'm going to delete this off the screen here. Now I'm going to move up my ABB. All right, so for this one, I don't have to use the same shapes that I used in my other pattern because we're creating an entirely different pattern. So for this one, I'm going to start with a pink circle. All right, I'll move it up here. All right, so that pink circle is representing my A. All right, and for this one, I want my B to be a heart. Okay, so I have my B, but if I were looking up here, my core pattern is A, B, B. So I need to have two B's here. And which shape is representing my B? My heart. So what I need to do is I need to grab another heart because this pattern has three pieces being repeated. Two of those pieces are a B. A, B, B. Now I'm starting it over. So I need another circle, A, and then I need another heart, B, B. So A, B, B, A, B, B. So now I need a circle for my A, and then my two hearts. All right, so if I were to continue with this pattern, the next thing that I would put would be a pink circle, okay, and then two hearts. So this core has three pieces, two of them being hearts, okay, in one circle. So if I were to label this, it would look like this. A, B, B, A, B, B, A, B, B. All right, so if I were to show you guys, here's my ABB, here's my ABB, here's my ABB, and that matches our core that we have at the top. So that piece that's being repeated, ABB. All right, so I'm going to delete this one. You guys are working so hard at home. I am so proud of you. All right, and we are going to do an ABC next. So for this one, we are going to have three things being repeated, and they're all going to be different. Okay, so for this one, I want my A to be represented by a moon. I want my B to be a square. And now I need a different one because a C has not happened in this pattern yet. So we have A is the moon, B is the square, and my C is going to be a pink circle. So I have three things. All right, so moon, square, circle. Now what I'm going to show you, I'm going to copy the entire core. So I'm going to put my rectangle around those three pieces because they represent the ABC that I need to be repeated, and I'm going to copy them all at once. Show you a little bit of magic. Here we go. Whoa! Repeat. Ready? Whoa! Repeat. One more time. Whoa! Repeat. That was magic. Now I have moon, square, circle, moon, square, circle, moon, square, circle, moon, square, circle. And if I were to label these, what three letters would I label them with? A, B, C. A, B, C. A, B, C. A, B, C. And if I showed you, there is my ABC happening over and over again. And that is an ABC pattern when you have three pieces, three different pieces being repeated. All right, I'm going to delete that one, and I'm going to move up my next pattern core. This is going to have four repeating pieces. and it is an AABB pattern. This time I'm going to pick a square as my A. Now, how many squares do I need? I need 2. I'm going to copy that one, jump in right there. I need 2. Now I need a B. I'm going to pick my pink circle here. Come on, little guy. All right, so how many pink circles do I need? How many B's are up here? There are 2, so I need him to jump right on over. All right, so I have A, A, B, B. You want to see the magic again? All right, I'm putting my rectangle all over all 4 pieces. And this is going to repeat again. All right, ready? Boing! One more time. Boing! All right, so square, square, circle, circle. Square, square, circle, circle. Square, square, circle, circle. And if I were to label them, you guys can say it with me. A, ooh, B, B. My handwriting's getting messy. A, B, B. A, B, B. All right, so this pattern is an AABB. AABB is being repeated. All right, we've got 2 more to do. I'm going to delete that one, and I'm going to move up our AAB. Now, we've done an ABB pattern. We have not done an AAB today. So for this one, let's say our purple heart will be our A's. And how many A's does this pattern have? 2. So I need to duplicate it. That means make it again, have it appear again. So I'm going to do heart, heart. Now I need another shape for my B. I'm going to use a moon. Heart, heart, moon. So I have A, B. And you know what I'm going to do this time? I'm going to label them A, B. And this time when I do my magic, I'm going to copy that with it. So here's my pattern being repeated. Whoa. All right, look at that. I'm going to keep it going. So do you see what I did? I just completely duplicated, or I made it over again. I made it happen again to show you guys that the AAB is happening over and over again. Okay, AAB, 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 which matches the pattern core that we began with. Okay, one more. And this one is going to use all 3 letters, ABC. However, this pattern has 2 A's. So we're doing A, B, C. And I'm going to use a pink circle as my A. Now, how many pink circles do I need? I need 2, because there are 2 A's in the AABC core. All right, so I have my A. Now I need a different shape to represent my B. I'm going to use a moon. A, B. Now I need a different shape to represent my C. I'm going to use a square. A, B, C. All right, I'm just going to take these letters from up here. Or actually, I'm not going to do that because I want you guys to be able to see at the end that this matches that. So I'm going to put A, B, C. And I'm going to put my rectangle around it, and I am going to copy it over and over and over. And you guys can see that core being repeated right here, which matches what we have here, A, B, C. All right, so patterns repeat over and over again. So you guys can create your own patterns using the pattern pieces that you have in your pattern card packet today. You guys can cut those out and practice making patterns. You guys can illustrate or draw your own patterns. Try to see what you can come up with. All right, guys, I had fun making patterns with you today. Have a great day. Bye.